In the air, the F-16 pilots have caught up with the rogue plane. The windows of the aircraft provide an ominous clue.
No movement and the windows covered in frost.
The Learjet is now a ghost plane. According to calculations, the jet is almost out of fuel. At 10 minutes past 12, it happens. The Learjet carrying Payne, Stewart, and 5 other people is falling from the sky.
They're going down, they're going down.
The F-16 attempts to follow, but the plane disappears into the clouds. It drops below the radar.
Center, I've got a crash site.